Hey, we're down here at Trails Edge again today. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the kitchen. This kitchen was done by Wes at Concept Kitchen and Bath. These counters here were done by Colonial Countertops, and this backsplash was done by Shamrock Tile and Stone. So this kitchen has all plywood boxes as well as dovetail drawers. So that's making it a multi-generational kitchen, making sure that it lasts for a substantial amount longer. And I guess it's worth mentioning that these are quartz countertops, and all of the drawers and doors are soft close. Yeah, so I'm excited. It turned out really good. I'm really happy with how the crown turned out and elevates the kitchen. Yeah, so thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you down here at Trails Edge.